Hey, what's up, YouTube? All right, my name is Henry Vernon from ACC Driving School here in South Florida. Gonna make a quick video showing you how to do the three-point turn. I literally have the three-point turn videos on multiple platforms. I have several three-point turn videos on this channel. I have three-point turn videos on TikTok. That would be at ACC Nation. I have a lot of videos on Instagram. Again, that's ACC Driving School on Instagram. I have videos on Facebook. That would be ACC Driving School on Facebook. Right? But also I have videos on Facebook under Henry Vernon. That's one of my channels. So I have multiple platforms, multiple channels. All right, so I'm gonna go over the three-point turn in detail. Like I said, I have multiple videos that shows that, but I'm making a new one because people are not taking the time to search for the videos. All right, so here we go. Alright, how to do a three-point turn. You start on the extreme right side. If you notice, we're in a parking lot, right? You start the three-point turn as close to your right side as possible without actually going into the parking space, right? You're going to turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. You got to signal left, by the way, because in the driving test, you're required to signal, right? So you turn all the way left. And you're going to press the gas and you're going to go until you're close to the other side of the parking lot without actually going into the parking space. You want to go as far forward as you can without going into the space. You're going to stop, put the car back in reverse, and you're going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right until it stops. When you can't turn anymore, you're going to look to your left and you're going to reverse, and again you're trying to avoid going into the parking space behind you. So usually when your mirror is past the middle of the space like this, you can see the middle. When your mirror is past the middle of the space, then you will put it back to drive, turn the wheel all the way to the left again, and you're gonna go forward like that, and then you're going to straighten up on your right side. And that is definitely the three-point turn. And I'm going to do it one more time. Again, you start the three-point turn as close to the right side as possible without going into the parking space. I have to emphasize that because if you go into the parking space, let me go over here. I am actually at a location that they do the driving test at. So I'm going to show you exactly how they will do it at a literal DMV location. Okay. Alright, so if you pull up here, you will see a line on the right side, close to the right side here. So you're gonna pull up next to this line without crossing this line, right? And you're going to turn around between this line here and the line on the other side of the parking space, right? Again, you're going to put the car in drive, signal to the left, turn the wheel all the way to the left until it stops. You won't go no more. Release your brake, press the gas very slightly, and you're gonna come over here and you're going to stop again before you cross that white line. Put the car back in reverse, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left until it stops. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. Again, you're going to reverse until your mirror here is past the middle. See, the mirror is past the middle. That means you won't be crossed that line right there. That's the key. You're not crossing the line either on this side or that side. Now you put the car back in drive. You turn the wheel all the way to the left and you go. Make sure you straighten up in the right lane. Straighten up in the right lane. If you end up in the wrong side of the road when you're done with your three-point turn, you will most definitely fail the driving test, period. When you're done with your three-point turn, you have to end up in the right lane.